Hey, let's take a look at this Wrightwood cabin for sale. It's 2 bedrooms plus a bonus room, a detached 2-car garage, a fully fenced-in lot, and wood-burning stoves in almost every room. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Southern California real estate agent for Exp Realty. All my contact information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out with any real estate related questions whatsoever. All right, let's take a look at this one. Again, my name is Dave Rupp, Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. Feel free to reach out with any real estate related questions.